Hey, babe, so it's time to go in Home Depot. What we was just talking about?
You need to go in there and we becoming the manager. Like, hey, you, come on, you, grab your little mink. Let's go. We coming to this Home Depot. They play games. You'll be in here 2 hours for real.
We work here today.
Man, follow me.
Me. Look at him. He's starting early. He's saying I'm at work.
Y'all two don't do these jobs for real?
Yeah.
Oh, crazy. Y'all making that money though.
So what we up to, handsome?
So, you want to know how to unload a trailer under 60 seconds? Get a dump trailer, bitch. No, but look. So we got this heavy pallet in these concrete bags, the 4x4s and stuff like that. So what we gonna do is we just gonna lift up the dump bed and let it slide out.
Yeah.
If everything break, and we gonna say we're gonna do, but
Orlife.com. Wait, babe. Should we move the concrete though? I feel like those can bust. Maybe.
Heavy.
You sure you don't want to move the concrete? Oh my gosh.
Look, no chain is heavy duty.
Babe, all that concrete. That's gonna be the first thing to fall. This don't make sense. It don't make sense. It don't make sense, babe. It don't make sense. Babe, all the concrete gonna fall. Oh my God. All the concrete gonna fall first.
Now it's even easier because when you put the concrete down, it's gonna slide down on the ground.
What's the odds? You talking about, I know what I'm doing.
Watch this, slide.
Oh, look. Oh, babe. What?
This would be bad if this pallet get to rolling.
It ain't going nowhere. It's too heavy. I ain't gonna lie. That don't look good. I like back on. Oh, that's two T's. Should have moved that dang on wood. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm ruining the dangerousness. Go, go. And you know what? I'm gonna tell Home Depot. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Nope. Okay. Ooh, is it gonna crack the wood? Ooh. No?
Oh, it's holding that boy up, huh?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking that was gonna happen. But it seemed like if you go slow, this might actually work out pretty fine. Oh, that's raw. The way it's folding it up. It's like pushing it back up. Wait, babe, what did that lady say? This life I got. I can't believe the life I got. Whatever, that works. Rank them like that. Babe, you broke literally every piece. So this is the aftermath.
On the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it. Making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. I don't see competition. I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. In the basement with my daughter on my lap. Right writing raps, trying to figure how to come up with a stack. But I know I just need to strap these twos up on my back. That slow though, how I'ma make a milli doing that? But I just gotta stick to the flow and get my own. Ever since a youngin', me and baby on our own. Turn 19, we was in our own. That's on. Learn from the best, so jump up on it, but blowing, dipping through the traffic on my way to see my mama. Gotta make sure I ain't lacking, cause these niggas thirsty, try to rob you for your taxes until you open flame and leave them there in traffic. This tragic, but I'm on a mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it, making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. I don't see competition, I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. All day long I'm hustling, tryna feed my family. Without them I ain't nothing. But watch all fam, cause some you can't trust some. Man, I got some stories that'll make you start cussing. But really I'm just tryna make a milli though. I dropped out of college but got the same job I was schooling for.